In this video, we are going to solve problem set 6 trigonometry standard 10th. This is the part 3 of problem set 6 that we are going to solve from question number 6 to question number 10. Now this is the question number 6, that a boy standing at a distance of 48 meter from a building observes the top of the building, makes an angle of elevation of 30 degrees. Then find the height of the building. This is what the question is. First we will draw as many information they had given, and then we will solve for the height of the building. Now we will try drawing it. A boy standing at a distance of 48 meter from the building. Let's draw a building. Consider that this is a building and here is a boy, and he made an angle of elevation of 30 degrees. So from this point he made an angle of elevation of 30 degrees to the top of the building. Then we get a right angle triangle over here, as we can see over here. It is a right angle triangle where this angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Is more information given? Yes, more information given. Is that a boy standing at a distance of 48 meter. A boy standing at a distance of 48 meter from a building. This is what the main information is. This is 48 meter. This is 48 meter distance, and what we have to find is this, which is height of the building. Now let's name this triangle. Consider this triangle ABC, where this length AB is x. Now we have to find the value of x, that is the height of the building. Now in this question we have to deal with opposite side and the adjacent side of 30 degrees elevation, that is the angle of elevation. So which function we can use? We can use tan function. So by using tan function, we can say that tan 30 degree is equal to opposite by adjacent, that is x by 48 equals to x by 48. Now what is tan 30 degrees? By trigonometric table we can say that tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3. So 1 upon root of 3 is equal to x by 48. So we can say that x is equal to 48 divided by root 3. Now we can further simplify 48 divided by root 3. 48 can be written as the prime factors. 2 times 24 is 48. Next 2 times 12, 2 times 6, then 2 times 3, then 3 times 1. This can be written as the prime factors. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 16 times 3. That is equals to 16 times 3 upon root of 3. Now 3 is nothing but root of 3 into root of 3. So root of 3 and root of 3 get cancelled. So it will be equals to 16 root 3 meter. So this is we have to find out. So we can say that a height of the building, that is AB in this case, which is x, equals to 16 root 3 meter. Now we will go to our next question. Now this is our second question. Now we will solve it. Now what is the second question? That is question number 7. From the top of the lighthouse, an observer look at the ship and finds the angle of elevation, angle of depression to be 30 degrees. If the height of the lighthouse is 100 meter, then find how far the ship is from the lighthouse. This many information is given, and we have to find how far the ship is from the lighthouse. Now as many information is given, we will draw. Now from the top of the lighthouse, an observer looks and find the angle of depression to be 30 degrees. Let's consider that this is a lighthouse. This is a lighthouse, and at the top of it there is an observer, and this is the line of vision of that observer, and he makes an angle of depression to see the ship at angle of depression to be 30 degrees. So this angle will be equals to 30 degree. Now we will join these 2 points. Now when we join these 2 points, we can say that here is a ship and this is a lighthouse, and we have to find how far this point to this point, this lighthouse from this ship, and also given that the height of the lighthouse is 100 meter. When this angle is 30 degree, we can already say that this angle equals to 30 degree. Why? Because these two are the parallel lines. Consider this as a transversal. So we can say that this angle will be equals to this angle. So it will be 30 degrees. And what we have to find is this much distance. The distance between the lighthouse and the ship. Consider it to be as x. Now we will give it a name. A, B, C, and consider this line of vision as M. Now this is how the diagram looks, and we have to find x. Now this is a basic trigonometric application problem. Now in this case we have to deal with the opposite side and the adjacent side. In this question we have to deal with the opposite side and the adjacent side. This we can deal with the tan function. So by using tan function, we can say that tan 30 degree is equal to 100 divided by x. Divided by x. Now what is tan 30 degree by trigonometric table? We can say that tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So we can take next step as 1 by root 3 is equal to 100 by x. Now just cross multiply. We get x is equal to 100 times root of 3 meter. Now what is x? X is just a distance between the lighthouse and the ship. Hence we had find out that the distance between the lighthouse and the ship is 100 root 3 meter. Now we will go to our next question. Now this is our 8 number question. Now what is 8 number question? Two buildings are in front of each other on a road of width 15 meter. From the top of the first building having height 12 meter, the angle of elevation to the second building is 30 degree. What is the height of the second building? From this question only we can say that the first building has the height shorter than the second building. That means we can say that second building's height is much taller. Now we will draw it. Consider that this is a first building. This is first building. And this is the second building. Of width 15 meter. 15 meter length of the road. Now they had given that the top of the first building having the height 12 meter, that is the height of the first building is 12 meter. This is 12 meter. And we have to find the height of this second building. Height of this second building. What is given next? Next is given that from the top of the first building, an angle of elevation is there like this. That is from this line of sight. This is the angle of elevation. Now what is the angle of elevation given is 30 degrees. That means this angle equals to 30 degrees. Now we will name it. This is A, B, C, D, and this is E. Now we have to find. Now from this length BC, ED equals to BC, because in this rectangle EBCD, opposite sides are equal. That means we can say that ED equals to BC. So these two lengths are equal. And we also say that this length is equal to this length. So this much length will be equals to 15 meter. Correct? So this much length, that is the length of BC, will be equals to 12 meter. Now consider the length of AB as to be x. Consider the length of AB as to be x. Now consider the triangle ABE. We can find the length of x by using trigonometry. Now consider triangle ABE. Consider triangle ABE. In triangle ABE, we have to find x. This is 15 meter, and in this case we have to deal with the opposite side and the adjacent side. So which function we can use? We can use tan function. So by using tan function, we can say that tan 30 degree is equal to x by 15. This length is 15. EB is equal to DC. That means EB equals to 15. So by using tan function, we can say that tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite, which is x, divided by EB, that is 15 meter. Now what is tan 30 degree? By trigonometric table, we can say that tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. So 1 by root of 3 is equal to x by 15. So we can say that x is equal to 15 upon root 3 meter. 15 upon root 3 meter. Now we can simplify it. Yes, we can simplify it. 15 can be written as 5 into 3 divided by root of 3. Denominator get common. 15 can be written as 5 into 3. Now 3 can be written as root of 3 into root of 3. So root of 3 and root of 3 get cancelled. Then what will remain? It will be equals to 5 root 3. 5 root 3. So we can say that 15 upon root 3 equals to 5 root 3. So we had find a value of x, that is equals to 5 root 3. Now we have to find the height of the total building, that is the second building AC. This is 12 meter. So the height of second building will be equals to x plus 12. That is equals to, what is x? X is 5 root 3. 5 root of 3 plus 12 meter. This is what the answer is. So the height of the second building equals to 5 root 3 meter. We had solved this question. Now we will go to our next question. Now this is our 9th number question. Now what is 9th number question? The 9th number question is a ladder on a platform of a fire brigade van can be elevated an angle of 70 degree to the maximum. The length of the ladder can be extended up to 20 meter. If the platform is 2 meter above the ground, then find the maximum from the ground up to which the ladder can reach. This is what the question is, and they are asked to use that sine 70 degree is equal to 0.94. They are told that sine 70 degree is equal to 0.94 because sine 70 degree is not in trigonometry table. So they had given that sine 70 degree equals to 0.94. Now a ladder on a platform of a fire brigade van can be extended up to angle of 70 degree to the maximum. Now the first step to do this is that the platform is 2 meter above the ground. The platform is 2 meter above the ground. That means the fire brigade van is 2 meter above the ground. That means it is like this. Here is a van of fire brigade, and this is a ladder which is making an angle 70 degree. And what is the length of the ladder that can be extended? It will be equals to 20 meter. 20 meter. This many information they had given, and also given that sine 70 degree equals to 0.94, and the platform is 2 meter above the ground. So this platform will be 2 meter above the ground. Now we have to find this much distance, this total distance, that is this much platform from the land also till this point of the ladder can reach. Now we will give it a name. Let's call it A, B, C, D and E. Now consider a triangle ABE, and also consider that this length of AB is x. So consider triangle ABE. Now in triangle ABE, to find the value of x or the height of the x, which function we must have to use? We have to deal with the opposite and the hypotenuse. So we must have to deal with sine function. So by using sine function, so now by using sine function, we can say that sine 70 degree equals to x by 20, that is opposite by hypotenuse, equals to x by 20. Now what is sine 70 degree? Sine 70 degree is 0.94 given in the question. 0.94 equals to x by 20. So x is equal to 0.94 times 20. Now we will multiply it. 0.94 times 20, 4 times 2 is 8, 9 times 2 is 18, 1. $18.80, we get 18.80 as the answer, so it will be equals to 18.80 meter. This much length is 18.80 meter. Given platform is of 2 meter, as we can see over here. This is 2 meter platform. This is the maximum height, which is AC. So what we can say is that maximum height from the ladder to the ground. So the maximum height from the ladder to the ground equals to 18.80 meter, which is x plus BC, that is equals to 2 meter. What is 18.80 plus 2? That is equals to 20.80. So it will be equals to 20.80 meter. That is the answer. So we can say that the maximum height from the ladder to the ground equals to 20.80 meter. Now we will go to our next question, which is the last question. Now this is our last number, that is, this is one kind of a tricky question. It based on speed, distance, time with trigonometry. Now what is that question? While landing at an airport, a pilot made an angle of depression of 20 degree. Average speed of the plane was 200 kilometers per hour. The plane reached the ground after 54 seconds. Then find the height at which the plane was when it started landing. And they are told that use sine 20 degree is equal to 0.342. As given information, we will draw it. Considered at first the plane was over here. And this was the direction it was going on. And then the pilot made an angle of depression of 20 degree. So angle of depression of 20 degrees. This is 20 degree. And this is the length, this is the height at which the plane was there, and this is the ground. This is the base, that is the ground. And here the plane was landed. So we can say that this angle is equals to 20 degree, because consider that these two are the parallel lines and this is the transversal. So we can say that this 20 degree, that is equals to this angle. Now we will name it A, B, C, and consider this to be as P. Now this ray, which is AP, angle of depression is 20 degree. So angle ACB equals to 20 degree. Now also given that while reaching at a point A to C, he need 54 seconds at 200 kilometers per hour speed. That means we can find the length of AC by using trigonometry, by using speed distance time formula, speed equals to distance by time. By using that we can find it. Now given that to reach point A to C, he need 54 seconds, that is time is 54 seconds. 54 seconds, speed is equal to 200 kilometers per hour. And we have to find distance. and we have to find distance. That is, we can find the distance A to C. Now time is given as 45 seconds and speed is given in kilometers per hour. Now we have to convert 54 seconds into hours. Then how do we convert it? First divided by 60, then divided by 60. Why first divided by 60? Because we get minute, and after divided by 60 we will get hour. Now take its reciprocal and then multiply. So what we can see is that 1 hour equals to 3600 second, that is 1 hour equals to 3600 seconds. Now to convert it into hour, divided by 3600 second, that is 1 hour. So it will be equals to 54 divided by 3600 hour. Now if we simplify it, then we will get 3 by 200. 3 by 200 hour. 3 by 200 hour. So we get time as 3 upon 200 hour. Now what is distance? Distance is speed into time. So we can say that distance is equal to speed, that is 200 kilometers per hour, times the time, 3 upon 200 hour. Now 200 and 200 get cancelled, so we get distance as 3 kilometers. Distance as 3 kilometers. So we get the distance from A to C as 3 kilometers over here. So we can say that AC is equal to 3 kilometer. So we can say that AC is 3 kilometers. So we can say that it is equals to 3 kilometers. Now what we have to find is the distance between the plane that was it first to the distance of the ground. That is, we have to find the distance between AB. This is the line, that is AB. Then how do we find it? We know AC now. Now by using which function we can find it? This is AB, considered to be as x. Now we have to deal with the opposite side and the hypotenuse. So by using sine function in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, we get sine 20 degrees. 20 degree is equal to x by 3. Equals to x by 3. Now what is sine 20 degree equal? It is 0.342. 0.342 is equal to x by 3. So what we can say is that x equals to 0.342 times 3, that is equals to 1.026. So x is equal to 1.026, which unit? Kilometers. Kilometers. Now to convert kilometers into meters, we will multiply it by 1000. So x is equal to 1026 meter. Hence we had find the distance between AB, that is x, that is equals to 1026 meter. That was the question. So the final answer that we can write is that the height at which the plane was when it starts landing was 1026 meter. Now here's a practice set 6 get completed of trigonometry.